What's up, YouTubians? Gary with VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, thanks for joining. I appreciate it. So today, we're going to finally get that stinking body off the 60. I know it's been a while. I know the holidays screwed me up. My ankle screwed me up. Everything's been screwing me up. So we need to get all of the storage off of the car. Get Jawbreaker out of the garage. And let's see if we either A, mess something up, B, actually do what we intend to do today. But need to keep moving. A little chilly out this morning. Got a jacket, pants, and shoes. Interesting. Well, it's about 40 degrees here. So, little breeze. No sun in the garage. It's just the way the day's going. It's a beautiful day. Finally no heat for once, but we have blue skies. Gorgeous blue skies. So, enough chit chat. Let's get things moved around and get to work. All right, we got the car sitting on the ground. Looking good, looking good. What I did is right here on my attic access, got a 4x4 going across, spanning a bunch of the joists. So my joists go this way. So by putting it this way, I'm spreading the load. Got a couple straps that are come down, hold the back end. So now it's a matter of getting the body unbolted, lift the back, lift the front, roll chassis out. That's the plan. Let's see how well it does not go to plan. You get the drift. All right, for bolts, you've got the ones that go underneath the edge right here. Hook the pans to the heater channel. You've got a few back here as well. You've got one right back here, right there next to the shock, just in front of it. Then you've also normally have a couple up here that hook the front body to the pan or to the beam, but well, those are missing because we cut those out. That's the gist. From there, it's going to be a little bit of prying and whatnot. And to be honest with you, with the way the front looks right there, kind of interested to see how the Napoleon hat looks. Oh, we also got to disconnect the steering. So let's get on with that. All right, so we got quite a few bolts that go up into the heater channel that are so rotted, the nut just spins when you try to get the bolt out. What do we do? Well, if you're like me, air chisel them out. We grab some safety glasses. We're gonna make a mess of this. Why not? we got the one's jackhammered off the front up there. We got to deal with the couple that are rusted back there behind the back seat. Let's go figure those out. Then I think we're about ready to finally lift off. Slowly working the heater channel and body pan separation. The gasket underneath likes to make it stick, so I've been using pry bar to kind of jiggle. Of course, you saw me cut out the one bolt down here. The two uppers were okay. The one down that side, one down that side, I had to cut off, chisel off. But then I didn't realize there's one right there on both sides. Duh. I blame it on my ankle hurting. So, right the straps off the back. Should be able to lift the front, put a board underneath, whatever, lift it up high enough, roll the chassis out. That's the gist. Let's see if it works. Let's try this side first, see if it works. Oh yeah, it's like money. I get the other side a couple clicks. Get it high enough to clear the shock mounts, and then from there we can get it finessed onto the body dolly.
Sweet!
Alright, let's move around to the front, see what I can do with the front. So my thought is, find a way to...
Yeah, there's a board and sawhorses. I don't know how that's gonna work. Pardon my butt.
You know what? I need a second set of hands just to put the board through. I don't feel like fighting it and messing up my ankle worse. Well, there we go. Works really good except for one minor issue. One minor issue. Let me show you. I can't really get the body high enough towards the ceiling. I mean, I know I still have room, but straps. Remember, straps. I'm trying to keep it level and keep it from falling. But I'm not going to clear. Those tires are not going to clear the body. So, I think what we'll do is just jack it up a little bit. Go ahead and take the tire off. But when the dolly's on this side, do the same to the other side, and that way we can roll it forward and then put the tires back on. Sounds like a plan. Let's try that. Well, that sucks. I guess that's why you use Impact rated. Man, I've been using that extension for like 20 years. It is what it is. One of those old flip sockets. 19 on one side, 21 on the other. Alright, it's going down. Houston, I think we're good. Alright, I'd say that's an accomplishment in itself. So we got bodies in there, chassis out here. Got the body dolly we built a couple episodes back. Go ahead and flip it up. Put the 4-inch heavy-duty casters on this. We'll get that underneath, get it secured, then we can work on getting the pan out of here. But I'd like to get the chassis actually, oh, I don't know, better on it than just suspended in the air like that. My luck, it'll break or something. All right, let's get to work.
Let's try it. Boy, gotta get up over the step. Boy. There you go, come on, boy. Have room? It's fine. How are you right there, good? Keep going in. You got room? I mean. It needs going further. That's hard. Oh, that's, hold on, that should be good. That was crooked. Not you. Well, you said keep going, so I kept going. I know, you're good. You are good, dude. Alright, now I can just lower, carefully lower straps. That's it. We're on. Oh, almost. It's gonna come down a little bit more. There we go. That's it.
That is it. Thanks to my #1 compadre, Levi. Go check out Levi's backyard. You're lucky the light was that way because it really didn't get you. So there we go. Up in the air. We are ready to roll. All we're going to do is probably find a way to fasten the body to the wooden dolly so we don't have to worry about it moving around too much. Then we get started on the heaters.
Yay!
I think that works. Only downfall is the whole thing sticks over in the garage this way more. It'll be a little snug putting jawbreaker here. But it is what it is. Car's up on the dolly. Man, that's gonna make it so much easier to repair the channels and do all the metal work. So if you think about it, I'm 6'5", and here it is, you know, thigh high. Yeah, it's gonna be really easy to get work done on that. And of course, the chassis. Big difference right there, huh? What do you think? Tires itself are higher than Jawbreaker's fenders. Crazy. So, Napoleon hat. We were all kind of wondering about that, and there's a bunch of repair in here and stuff. Actually, it looks like the Napoleon hat might be solid.
Hallelujah. makes me feel, oh, so much better.
Pans are definitely shot, which we knew. We'll strip everything down, clean the tunnel real well, get everything painted, cleaned up, but I actually want to get the body done first. To me, in my opinion, body's more difficult to do. Got heater channels, of course. Lower part of the front firewall right there. I mean, it's probably just bring it up just a little ways. Across right here, snip it. Stitch in the replacement one. Of course, we got A-pillars, lower quarters. It's really a little bit of rot right there. That corner, of course, and that's Bondo, I know that. That's why I bought this whole rear quarter. Honestly, it's really not that bad. The other side's actually in better shape than this side. So, I haven't decided what to do back here yet. I'm still thinking about leaving it out, trimming it back and down or something, or maybe swooping it. Not sure, but most of this is going away. And of course, we got a couple little minor holes to deal with. Nothing major there. And we've got a little bit of right here around the windshield, so nothing horrible really. I mean, heater channels, pans, you know, A-pillars, B-pillars, the front part of the firewall. Here's a better shot. I knew that was toast, and I have it sitting there. That's not a problem. Like I said, we'll just bring it up till it's good metal, zip it across, do the same thing, stitch the other one in. I think that'll be the easiest way. Then again, I'm not a metal guy, and this is definitely outside of my comfort zone, where I know easily working on the pan, I mean, that's just, my opinion, cake work. Throwing the pans in and all that, cleaning all this up, that's cake work to me. Other people may be different. So, what do you know? We finally got something done. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Thank you guys for your support. This is how I lifted the body off the chassis. Many ways to skin a cat. Pick one that works for you. Be kind to one another. Until the next time, be good.